This video is to setting for this MK2200L for the configuration part. So you can press enter, look for configuration, operation parameter, this one no problem. Next one, okay, CT ratio. CT ratio, for example, in this case, now the CT ratio is 1000 M, so you can set to 1000 M. This is line CT primary. So for the afford CT primary is also set to 1000, so that when the display in the front there, it will show you the primary current. So this is already set to 1000. If you wish to change, just press enter and change it. Okay, then press escape, go back to date and time. This is also important. You can set according to the date and time. This is date, month and year. Next one is you can set the format and the time also. You can change this, follow with your current time. And the time format is 12 hours. Okay, press escape again. So that's all.